Do you know what is PUBG? Wait, why am I even asking this question? But do you know how PUBG became the biggest hit of 2018? Well, if you don't know, just keep watching this video till the end and you will certainly get your answer. Hey guys, this is Vineet Chaudhary and welcome back to another exciting video of TecToe.com. In this video, we are going to talk about how PUBG became the biggest gaming sensation of 2018. But before that, do tap on that subscribe button and that notification bell too so that you can watch all our future videos before anyone else. Well, before we move ahead, if any of you guys don't know what PUBG is, then it is a multiplayer online battle royale game which was developed by PUBG Corporation. It is a subsidiary of Korean publisher Bluehole. The full name of this game is PlayerUnknown's Battleground, and even though it is one of the most popular one, it is not one of a kind. Because we have already seen a lot of battle royale games based on this style, right? So basically in PUBG you have to land on an 8x8 kilometer map along with 99 other players. And whoever survives till the last gets the chicken dinner. In the process you can create either your own team of 4 people or play with unknown players. You can also voice chat with them or you can interact through messages. Also during the game you are allowed to use all kind of weapons and vehicles to eliminate your enemies. Now coming to how it became a sensation, it was only possible because of the hard work and the perfect strategy of the team and the game designer Brandon Green. The first strategy that they implemented was the soft launch. The team did not want to take any chances and they firstly launched it specifically for the users in Canada. Now the reason for such small launch was to eliminate all the errors from the game and see how users take this game. The second point that made it so popular was because it was free to play, and trust me, who doesn't like free things? Although there are some in-app purchases in the game, but it's upon your choice and they don't actually force you to buy stuffs from them. Third point which made players addicted to this game was the ability to communicate with your friends during the gameplay. For mobile users this was a very attractive thing and it definitely helped it a lot. Also the weapons, sound effects, vehicles and animations are no less than a treat to watch on a smartphone. Now although PUBG Mobile is a bomb hit among users, but there are a lot of people who miss a couple of things from the PC variant. And for those people, the team Tencent decided to create an Android emulator for computer which actually helps people to play PUBG Mobile on PC using the keyboard and mouse. Well, these are some of the reasons why PUBG Mobile became a sensation of 2018. Now if you really enjoyed the video, don't forget to like it, share with your friends and subscribe our channel. Also don't forget to comment down your opinions and like our page on Facebook.